going to follow the SEALIGHT shampoo by using the SEALIGHT mask. The mask is designed to restore moisture, smooth the cuticle, deeply nourishing and repairing any damage caused by the lightning and chemical process used on the hair. It's also going to help us to control the frizz and have long-lasting results, not weighing the hair down, allowing us to get the volume and body at the root. We're now going to use the SEALIGHT mask. This is designed to restore the moisture and smooth the cuticle, whilst deeply nourishing, repairing any damage caused by colouring, chemical services, heat styling or environmental damage. But it's a lightweight formula giving frizz control and making sure we maintain as much volume, leaving the hair feeling fuller and thicker.